everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting four different types of playlist: trading topics, Zerodha features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the Sensibull paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. So, if you wanted to know about hedging process, that is very safe method. Being an option buyer or an option seller, we should be taking our position with the proper hedges only. What is meant by hedge is that it's an insurance kind of thing. Okay, for an example, you will be having an insurance for your car, right? In a similar way, instead of going the naked buy option or naked put option, okay, CE buy, CE put, you can hedge it for a minimum loss. Okay, for an example, I will be telling you. If I take a position, this position is currently, yeah, you can see this is 24,850. If you take this position without hedged legs, then what will going to happen? Let's see. Yeah, let's come to this payoff table. Okay, before going to the payoff table, if you observe in the payoff graph, what will happen as soon as you take this position in Zerodha or any broker, so you will be in a loss only if you enter into this zone. Okay, whatever you are saying, right? If you enter into this zone very rapidly, remember that this is a option buying. There will be a theta decay also. That is very important factor for an option buyer to consider, because if you go slowly like this, if you take a position from somewhere around here, if it goes slowly like this, then the theta decay will be eating your money. Okay, that is the main problem of option buying. Okay, so option buying, I will be suggesting buying option. Basically, you should be going for only on the Friday, okay, Monday. In case of Nifty, I'm telling, okay. So Friday, Monday, and Wednesday you should avoid it, but up to 2 o'clock you can take the option buy position. Okay, this is very important, guys. You should be knowing it, because if you take a position on Thursday, Wednesday it's better to avoid. Okay, so Thursday it's totally option buyers should avoid taking a position. But yeah, some of the chances will be there for scalpers, but I will suggest, or what I do, I will avoid the option buying on the Thursday. Okay, this is what the basic thing we should knowing as an option buyer. Okay, what in case of option seller? Option seller, there is before going to option buyer, option seller, option buyer will be having only profit. Okay, if you in one directional way. Okay, if either market should go up or go down, if you take a position like market will go up, then if it goes up only, then only you will be in a profit. If it goes slowly, then you will be in a loss. But in case of sellers, what is the advantage point is that, for an example, you take a position of PE sell. Okay, PE sell means market should go up, right? So market should go up. If market goes up, then you will be in a profit. And if market goes down, for an example, I took a position around here. Okay, so being an option buyer, I will come to option buyer again. Being an option buyer, let me just, being an option buyer, it should run or rally rapidly, then only I will be in a profit. If it goes sideways, then theta decay. Okay, theta decay will eat your money. Okay, this is for the option buyer. Come to option seller in the same position. Okay, for an example, option seller took a same position here. Then if market goes up, that is PE sell. You consider it. Okay, PE sell. If market goes up, yeah, exactly, he will be in a profit. If market goes sideways, okay, he will be in a minimum profit, because whatever the option buyer theta decay value he is giving, sorry, whatever the option buyer the theta decay is decaying, right, that is earned in the option seller sideways market, or any market I can say. Okay, maybe it goes up or goes down. Okay, only option seller will be loss, or very minimum loss he can exit only if it goes down, or if it goes only in his opposite direction. Okay, so what in case of option buyer, if market goes down, then he will be in a big loss. So we should hedge it properly. For in order to do this, we should hedge it properly. This is not the buying or selling suggestion. I'm just it is just an educational purpose. But any position, if you want to take, being a safe trader, you should be hedging it. Okay, hedge is very important. Okay, let's see what is hedging positions. Okay, before jumping to that, I will show you what will be the loss and what will be the profit. So this is naked buy option I'm taking, option buyer I'm now. Okay, uh, so option buyer, I took a position around 24,850. You can see if market stays in the or at 24,850 at your location only, at your strike, then you will be in a zero. The profit will be zero here. Okay, and if market goes little bit of up, 24,850, okay, you took a position here, right? So if market moves here, then you will be in a profit of 494 rupees. But see, on the first day, since the strike is at 24,837, currently market closed at 24,837, but you were taking a position of 24,850. There is some price gap, right, or difference here. That's why it is showing 0. Yeah. So still market should rally around 37 means 13 points, right, to reach this position. That's why they have given a 0 here. If market stays again at 24,850, then you will be in a 494 profit immediately. On what date? On the date of Friday. Okay, but if you carry this position until expiry, you can see you'll be in a loss of 8,000 rupees. What is the expiry? Expiry is next Thursday. Okay, I have took a position of Thursday only, right? See, 31st of July, right? 31st of July. So this is the condition of option buyer here, and you can see if market goes rapidly with 750. For an example, you took a position at 850, 100 points. If it goes down, then you will be in a loss of 2,000 rupees, 2,000, around 3,000 rupees here. Okay, anyhow, this is totally, if you carry until expiry, you will be in a 8,963 rupees. That is exactly the maximum loss. Okay, this is what the premium you have given while option buying. Okay, so this is very risky trade, guys. Yeah, so think that for one lot you are losing, maybe market can go down in 5 to 10 minutes or 30 minutes, 100 points, then you will be in a 3,000 rupees loss. For an example, I will take a 10 points difference. Okay, if market goes down 820, you can see you will be in a loss of 620 rupees in a matter of 5 minutes or 1 minute also. Okay, just a 30 points from here, your strike. So this is very risky. How to hedge it properly? So you take an I will take a screenshot of this one. You can compare the losses if you hedge it properly. Okay, so for this hedging, there are ready-made ready-made strategies are available. You can consider it. Else you can go to option buying. Right, option buying you can take it, and also similar I will be going for option buying, right? Bull call spread I will take. Bull call spread. What they have done here, again from 24,850 they bought one option, buy option. They buyed it, they bought option, and from again 24,000 050, 25,000, sorry, 25,000 050, you can approximately take a difference here, 250 point difference, right? So you can take a difference of 250. 900 plus 150 difference, you can take it. Initially they have taken a 200 difference, now you can take 100. If you are in beginner, I will suggest to go for only 100 point difference from the legs. Okay, let's see this one in the here in the trading view. So I will be drawing one line here. Okay, 24,850. We are taking a position here. Then 24,950 we are selling a C sell. C sell means what it is? It should, market should go down. What this call is representing? This leg is representing market should go up. This leg is representing market should come down. So it is an insurance, right? It is a safety leg. So 24,950, I will draw one more line. 24,950. Yeah, approximately here. What we are doing here is that C buy, and C sell. Right? C buy means market should go up. C sell means market should. This is a sell leg, and this is a buy leg. Okay, market should come down. What difference we have taken? Only 100 point difference we have taken. For a beginner, it should be 100 point is suggested. Okay, so now we'll erase this one. 100 points. You can see the maximum loss will be 3,000 rupees. Okay, if you carry until expiry, it will be only 3,000 rupees now. If you increase the leg, this risk also will be increasing, the profit also increasing. You can see I will be taking a 200 legs. You can get a 9,000 profit with a minimum loss of 5,000 rupees. So beginner I suggested to go for 950. Now you can see the market, if it goes up, then you will be in a profit. What if this if market enters into this zone 24,930, you'll be in a profit of 1,190 rupees, right? So it goes further. Okay, but your maximum profit will be 4,000 rupees only. If market rallied 1,000 point also, you will be in a profit of only 4,000 rupees. Okay, so this is what difference between hedged position and the naked position. If you take a naked position, for an example, if you take only naked buy option, the profit will be unlimited. If market suddenly spikes up to the 500 points, you will be in a very good profit. But this is, if market goes again in the opposite direction, you will be in a very good loss also, right? So that's what we should not take the risk. Market is very wild nowadays. We can't predict how exactly it will go. So better to go with the minimum losses. Now we will compare the table. Okay, and I have taken a screenshot as well. I will be zooming out a little bit. else we can compare it here. Yeah, I will be okay, 10-point difference only. So if market goes 24,000, yeah, this like 24,820, 24,820. This is the naked position, okay, and this is the hedged position. So if market reached or goes opposite to your direction, then 24,810 I will take it. It is the 621 rupees. It is the 973 rupees. What in case of hedged position? It is only 161 rupees, 255 rupees. You will be in a loss. You can, I will show you. Yeah, see, 161 rupees and 255 rupees. See how exactly you will be getting lot of confidence with this hedged position. Okay, you can wait up to market. If your risk is up to 500 rupees, you can wait up to 24,780 position also. But in case of hedged position, you can't be waiting up to here. You will be losing 2,000 rupees. Your psychology will be spoiled. Okay, this is what the advantage of hedging. See, I am removing hedging position here. You can see 973 rupees, 621 rupees. This is very slowly psychology will become negative for you if you are a beginner. Okay, so that's what it's better to take a hedged position. See, now with hedge only 161 rupees. Okay, I'll 161 rupees, it is very minimal, right? So I'll be getting a confidence. Up to 500 rupees I can wait. uh, what exactly happens? Sometimes market, how it will behave, uh, as soon as you take the position, it started it will start goes down, okay, further down. Then you'll be seeing very big losses without hedged position. Maybe if you hold up to 24,780, you'll be in a 2,000 rupees loss per lot. Okay, this is only one lot I have taken. Better to go with one lot only if you're a beginner. So your psychology, okay, I'm getting more and more loss. If it reaches to 770, I'll be again in a big loss, so you'll be exiting the position. That is what the psychology of the trader now. But with hedged position, you can see, okay, you can around say sit also. Okay, my risk is up to 24,770. I'll be sitting, yeah, aram say. Okay, this is what the hedging advantage is. Okay, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Also, there are this is only option buying hedge. If you want to buy a, for an example, this is option buying hedge. Okay, CE buy this is. And what in case of PE buy, you are already having a ready-made option. Go to bearish and you need to take this position. PE buy, PE sell. Okay, so how about selling option? Yeah, selling also available. Instead of going buying, you can always prefer selling as well. So for an example, if your view is market should go up, then you can take a selling bull put spread, that is from 24,850 you're saying that market is going up with this direction, and from PE buy means it should go down, right? Yeah, this is what these legs you can take it. Similarly, I will be showing you bearish, see sell, bull call spread. This is bear call spread, sorry. So bear call spread, what is happening? C sell. C sell means market should go down. How about CE buy? Market should go up. Thank you. Give a thumbs up.